The Google searches looking for the age of Donald Trump has suddenly increased. Markets in North America and some other parts of the world fell. Why? As 74-year-old US President Donald Trump was diagnosed of COVID-19, something which he always mocked and ridiculed. Just about 2 days ago, in the presidential debate, he mocked Joe Biden, saying that he wears masks all the time. Well, probably it has come back haunting him.
While we all wish for a very speedy recovery of Donald Trump, however, the world media kept on buzzing last few hours, questioning a lot of stuff. Some talking about his health, and some talking about his whereabouts, and many talking about the political future.
The biggest question of all, what happens if he becomes incapacitated?
These questions are not just in your mind. These two questions, what happens to his current term and what happens to the election, these are the two things which are there in everybody's mind. Just have a look at US media and the Canadian media. They're not just talking about it, it's in the top priority news for them. I also watched the US and the Canadian news and some other news from the other parts of the world. This was probably the first news which was coming. These two questions. So let's try to answer these questions. The first question is, what happens to the presidency if the US president is incapacitated? Well, in such a case of misfortune, if there is a term left, like in this case, the term is left for about one and a half month before the elections, the US Constitution, Article number 2, 20th and 25th Amendments make it clear that the Vice President assumes the office. Now comes the second question. In case of a misfortune, can there be re-election? Can there be another candidate? What happens to the current campaign? What if Donald Trump actually wins the elections? By the way, this is going to be the first time after 1956-57 that a US president is ill before a campaign and on the edge. Rules are actually ambiguous in case of such a misfortune. All in all, what you can actually study from the little data available is that in case Donald Trump actually wins this election on his name and unfortunately is not able to assume the office, then in the month of December, his party, the Republican Party, will decide a new leader. That's what it is. This is if Donald Trump actually wins the election. Well, can there be a re-election? Can a new candidate stand right now? Answer is no. Because about 2 million people have already casted their ballots. And in the name of Donald Trump. So it will not happen. I hope that nothing like this happens. And everything goes as per the plan.
I hope I was able to answer some of the questions that you might be thinking about. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.